Hey y'all, hey, it's Crystal, the founder of Bold Culture Beauty, your one stop if you're looking to simplify your natural hair routine. Today is wash day, and I'm going to show you how I give my hair some TLC with one of my all time favorite deep conditioners and tools. So stay tuned as we get into wash day. Okay, y'all, I am back and my hair is cleansed. Today was my deep cleaning day, so I did use a cleansing shampoo and followed it up with a moisturizing shampoo to get my hair fully cleaned. And now I'm ready to deep condition. So this is one of my favorite deep conditioners that does not have protein in it. It is the Alikay Naturals Honey and Sage Deep Conditioner. I do like it because it is full of plant-based goodness. It works really well in my hair, and it doesn't cause my hair to feel weighed down once I rinse it out. But it does allow my hair to feel nice and soft, and makes it easy for me to detangle using one of my favorite tools. So this is one of my favorite deep conditioners that does not have protein in it. I do not use protein regularly, but I do like to deep condition regularly. So when I'm looking for a deep conditioner that does not have protein in it, this is usually my go-to. So since I normally do this in the shower, I'm gonna spray a little bit more water on my hair, and then we're gonna get to it. Nice and wet. And then one of the things I do like to do is kind of let the deep conditioner sit on there a little while to work on the strands before I use the tool. It kind of helps break up the tangles, smooth out the hair so that it can glide nicely across the strands without causing any major issues when I try to go through and detangle. And then if you'd like to see, it does have a nice thick consistency. It smells great, and it works really good in my hair. And you can see how nice it's working, even with just my fingers. But I do like to use a tool, so I'm going to go back through. Just working the conditioner into my hair. Put a little bit more on my ends. The ends of your hair are the oldest and they need the most love. And then starting from the roots, I'm just going to detangle and work my way all the way up. All right, y'all, I do realize this is like 12 minutes of me detangling my hair with no sound, so I did want to come on and at least explain to you what I am doing so that you won't be bored just sitting here watching me comb my hair for the next 12 minutes. But essentially, I am parting my hair into 4 separate sections, working in small groups or sections to make sure that I completely detangle my hair. I work backwards from the ends of my hair to the root, making sure that I get all of the knots and tangles. And then I also want to make sure that if I need to, I break it down into even smaller sections to make sure that I'm not pulling or ripping my hair, and also that I'm getting all of the tangles and the shed hair out. The whole process is actually pretty quick and easy, especially when you use a quality deep conditioner. And yeah, I'm just smoothing through, combing through, making sure all the knots are gone. And then once I am finished, I will move on to the next section. I have realized that with this conditioner and most conditioners that I use, the longer I let the conditioner sit on my hair, the easier it actually becomes for me to detangle my hair. And then the more water I use, the easier it is to kind of work the conditioner into your strands and spread it throughout your hair. So the back sections of my hair are actually easier or quicker for me to detangle because the conditioner has been sitting on there, kind of working on the knots, loosening them up and making it easier for me to comb through the hair. All right, y'all, we are in the home stretch. I have made it to the last section. I did go back and check. It is only 7, almost 8 minutes. I sped it up for you so that you wouldn't be sitting here watching me for a full 12 minutes combing my hair. But as with most quality conditioners, you can see that I'm getting a little bit of lather on my strands from the conditioner and water being mixed together. This just helps with the spread and distribution of the product, and it allows it to really get in there and help me to detangle my strands. Loving, loving, loving how easy it is for me to detangle my hair. And now I'm just playing around because my hair is completely detangled, but I just want you to see how easy it was and is using this conditioner and one of my favorite tools. That is how I detangle my hair using one of my favorite deep conditioners and one of my favorite tools, and in just a little under 20 minutes. Probably would have been faster if I stayed in the shower. I was able to completely detangle my hair. I'll throw a cap on. Got conditioner all over my face, but I'll throw a cap on and I will hop in the shower to let the steam move the product into my strands, and then I'll be back to show you what my clean and fully detangled hair looks like. But in case you were wondering about how much shed hair I have, this is it. And this is the tool I use. It is the Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush with the best. It is one of my favorites. I've tried several other ones, which I'm not gonna name, but this one for me and my tightly coiled strands actually works the best out of the ones that I've tried. And the conditioner I used, again, is the Alikay Naturals Honey and Sage Deep Conditioner. So I'll be back to show you what my cleaned, fully conditioned hair looks like in just a few. All right, y'all, I am back. My hair is cleansed, thoroughly deep conditioned, and ready to style. It is fully detangled. It feels great. It looks great. Y'all can see the little curl pattern coming through. I have nice curl definition. My scalp is clean. My hair is conditioned, and it just feels good. So, as you already know, or if you didn't, I'm gonna tell you again, Alikay Naturals Honey and Sage Deep Conditioner gets a thumbs up from me. I absolutely love, love, love this deep conditioner because it does not have protein in it, and I like to use it weekly to deep condition my strands and give it a little bit of TLC. I do have a deep conditioner that I do love that has protein in it as well, and maybe I'll do a video if you'd like to see me do a video with my protein deep conditioner and kind of explain to you when and why I use it. Let me know, comment below and let me know if you want to see that. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And for more great information on how to simplify your natural hair routine, make sure you check out my blog at boldculture.com. Until next week, go boldly.